All right, looks like a beautiful day at Double Peak. You can practically see the ocean. It's only raining a little too, and it's not too windy, so I mean, let's get on it. All right, already soaking wet. Haven't even left the parking lot. Have a good ride. Oh, slippery when wet. Damn, that was almost bad. Hey, hi. Oh my God. Completely got unclipped. Oh, that was sketchy. I got completely unclipped. I was riding on my saddle just for that last part. Whew. Yeah, all right. So it might be a short one. Definitely gonna ride tomorrow instead. I think that's enough of that. I'm gonna head back to the car. Okay, I'm done for today. That's good enough. One lap on Fuego. We're calling it. I'll try to see you tomorrow. Hopefully it goes better. If it's like this, we're calling it. It's the video. Like I said, hopefully the weather's better because I'm not dealing with this again. Yay, today's better. A little windy for that. Yeah, those jumps are windy. They are not fun right now. Not a fan of that wind. That wind sucks. my God. I think it might be this way. All right, let's have a look. Not a fan looking at this. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. I don't know, man. Felt awkward today. You know, P Mountain's got some gnarly stuff, and I think that's getting into my head, especially riding here by myself. And this is only my second time out here. So, yeah, I'm freaked out, man. I can't ride. I'm gonna crash if I keep riding today. Kind of a bummer, but you know, weather was nicer, and I don't know. I'm happy that I'm calling it rather than just pushing through. I think it's the right move. So, you know, not what I expected, but it's what it is. So, see you in the next one.